What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Monday over here. And on this day, on this post, we're going to be talking about Uniswap, Uni, USD, or USDT. And on this post, I'm going to be talking about some potential for upside and downside for Uniswap. Some key price targets for both the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Some immediate key price levels that the price action does need to break in order for me to see which one is more likely. And that's very important. Do stick around if that sounds good to you. And we're going to be diving right into the charts. I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinion on this market later in this video. So make sure to stick around. Now, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I an elite trader of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits during the last bear markets. But I am looking to crush it in the next bull cycle here. So if you guys feel the same way, do hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this. So we do have Uni USDT here pulled up for this finance charts. Currently, we do have the weekly time frame chart that is being shown here. I think that more clearly shows what this price action is doing. So first of all, price action did break out of this huge falling wedge pattern here. Now, the measure move of this pattern is going to be pretty big. But it's gonna be coming with a caveat here. So just bear with me here. The measure move out of this pattern, it would be this would be the breaking point. So basically, you take the opening of the pattern, and then you put it on top of the breaking point. That would give us somewhere about 3850. Okay. In the 3850 area. So that's a pretty huge move. Now, that's going to come with a lot of ifs. So it's not like, price action breaks out of a pattern, you get a measure move, and we're going straight there. It's going to come with a lot of ifs in between. So don't just take a measure move for what it is. Do your own Google searches on what measure targets, measure moves are. Don't just take my word for it, right? Because I think at the end of the day is learning how to see the chart on your own and being able to plan on your own and trade on your own. That would be the biggest takeaway from this. Not just looking at some measure target and you buy and it's gonna go there. It's not like that, right? So as you guys can see, this is on the weekly time frame. Each candle is 1 week's worth of time. Price action has broken out of this pattern basically last July. So it's been over a year and price action has just been going sideways. Even coming down to the previous low here at about almost 3.7. Okay, that's pretty damn low. Okay, breaking out to $10, and then you're coming all the way back down to about 3.7. That's why you can't just take a measure move for what it is. It's an estimate. It could be over, under, and there's going to be a lot of things that could happen in between to get between the price action, right? So let's take a look into more recently what the price action is going on. We have a smaller falling wedge pattern, which the price action has formed since it has broken out of this bigger falling wedge pattern. But what it is here is the price action attempted to break out of this smaller falling wedge pattern at about $6.71, 72 cents, got rejected and basically broke back into the pattern. In that case, I basically consider this pattern to be invalidated. And what we could be looking at is a potential double bottom pattern here, which is still usually bullish for a bullish breakout, right? So if it comes down to anywhere close to about $4 in this area here, we could potentially be seeing a double bottom pattern. And in that case, let's actually not even talk about the measured move here, because it has not exactly formed a double bottom pattern yet. But I don't have any Uniswap, but if you guys want to keep seeing Uniswap, do you like the video? Subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment box below, letting me know that you guys do want to see it. But basically, this double bottom pattern could be forming. It's a smaller double bottom pattern, but it's on the weekly time frame, so it's still going to take some time to play out. That is a possible scenario. Another scenario is if the price action just completely destroys this bottom, and continues downwards from $4. In that case, the next level of key support here would be, it's going to be about 3.76. So in that area, I'm going to be referring back to this group of wicks here for previous support. That's what I usually do when I look to take profits, when I look to see resistances, supports. I am going to be looking at previous data if available, and in this case it is available, as you guys can see. So that it's going to be, below the $3.70 area, you're going to have quite a bit of support here. I'm not going to read all the wicks here, but you guys can probably go and check it out on your chart here and then decide on your own. But that's basically the downside potential, which is still a pretty good, I think, a pretty good, maybe 20% down. That is the downside potential. And then if that happens, I'm going to come back here and refresh the chart for you guys if you guys want to see it, and see what another pattern could be emerging instead. Right. Excuse me for the construction outside. I hope it's not really getting in the way of my volume. So that's what I'm seeing. We have quite a bit of major resistance coming from ahead, right? We have the weekly 21 SMA, weekly 50 SMA, the blue and gray line. On the 3-day time frame, we're basically beneath all major moving averages until it gets over $6.80 at the time of this reading. Daily time frame, we're still below all major moving averages until it basically gets over $5.70 at the time of this reading. Okay. Let's take a look into the monthly time frame, where basically the monthly 21 SMA, it's right above the price action here at about $7.30. Going to be expecting quite a bit of resistance from that. I expect people to sell, or maybe short sellers to come in at these levels, right? Because that's what I would do. But it's going to be subject to a setup as well if I was shorting the markets. I'm not going to just look at a major moving average and going to short, but that's a starting point to consider, and then look at another setup and then decide from there, right? Not financial advice. That's just my opinion on what I do. I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinion on this market, but before that, if you guys have made it this far into this video, thank you. If you guys don't already have a Webull account and want to sign up for some free stocks, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks value from $3,000 to $3,000. That's correct. If you sign up using my link in the description below, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Terms and conditions do apply. And that directly supports my channel. So I enjoyed using Webull as an exchange. I think they're a great beginner's exchange for trading US stocks and cryptos. But with any exchange, I would not put most or all my money on one particular exchange. in case it does go down, as we have seen recently. Not with Webull, but with other exchanges. I personally spread my money around several exchanges, so I don't get wrecked if one goes down. Now let's go back into the charts here. I'm going to be talking about my personal opinion, which is basically very much based on Bitcoin. So I had some leverage positions on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which had to be liquidated over the weekend because they were leverage ETFs, and MEXC, which is the exchange, delisted these ETFs. So I am basically back on the sidelines in terms of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I am long on some big altcoins. That's not Uniswap, but on other altcoins. And I am looking for a signal to get back in with some of my positions that got delisted, but we'll get the funds back. So that's what I'm looking at. I am still bullish on the market. Otherwise, until Bitcoin starts to look like it's gonna confirm this breakdown of this double top pattern. Okay, so that's just in short what my opinion is. Yeah, do check out my other video today if you guys want to see what I said more about Bitcoin. But I'm just gonna keep it short and light here. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you guys later. Have a great rest of the day.